In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix ear speaker not working on Android. So if the ear speaker is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be that Bluetooth is turned on your device. So swipe down from the top of your screen. After that, find the option for Bluetooth and tap on it. Now the Bluetooth has been turned off. Once the Bluetooth is turned off, the audio will not be sent away to other devices. That way your speaker might work properly. But if the problem is still not fixed, there might be some problem with the phone app itself. So in that case, what you have to do is open the app library of your device. Find the application for phone. Once you do that, long press on it. Now tap on this option, app info. Now what you have to do is tap on this option, storage and cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now you can do the test call. After that, the ear speaker should work properly. If these processes do not work, there might be some problem with the physical speaker only. So what you can do is simply try cleaning it. After you clean it, your problem might be fixed. Also try cleaning the audio jack. After you do that, the ear speaker should be working properly. If not, you'll have to consult the technician for it. So like this, you'll be able to fix your problem. So that is how you fix ear speaker not working on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.